All right, let's get it going. It was 70 and like 60 all week, and then we finally get to go fishing, and it's 38 degrees and windy. It's gonna stop.
Club's still on the way. You gotta just check it out.
We need a warm day.
Morning by myself since no one else wants to go.
Spot one today failed like really bad. It was super windy, and me and Adam are cold, so we decided to come here to where we know we'll probably catch a fish, and then once we catch a few here, we're gonna move on to a different spot. We're just gonna keep pond hopping. I always catch a fish over here, so hopefully we hook into one. Spinner wasn't working, so I tied on a micro jerkbait, and hopefully that will work. Oh, I'm hooked up. There we go. It's a little pickerel. No, no, he came off. No, it was a pickerel, but still, that's fine with me actually. A quick release.
What?
The fish came right up to the bank, and it must have just like got stuck right there and just fell right off. I had that thing on the little jerkbait right here. He bent the hook, it looks like. So I guess we'll just keep throwing this little jerkbait around and hopefully hook into another fish that I will not lose. Yo, there's fish up here. This isn't as deep. I don't know why.
I caught a fish, yeah.
I did too. I've got a couple.
This is my first fish of the year, like, yeah, last year, 2 years ago. Last year, 2 days.
No, I'm definitely seeing fish over here, so that's good. But it's just super shallow. What?
Don't you have a Senko?
This is a jerkbait.
No, a Senko on. This is. Oh, that's just no shit. I wasn't even paying attention. Yeah, why don't you bring over the Senko? This is Senko area.
Oh, yo, poked up. He came right up.
Pull him up. Yeah.
There we go.
There you go.
That's the second pickerel on the jerkbait of the day. First one landed. Adam, you want to run back and grab the pliers? You're gonna need them.
Right.
That is the first fish we landed of the day. Nice little pickerel.
All right.
Yeah, so I just caught that second pickerel. Well, you could say 1.5 on that same little micro jerkbait from this morning. So hopefully we can keep hooking into a couple of these on this, and if not, oh my god, that fish is chilling there. We'll move to a different spot. All right, we're at like the third spot of the day. First spot, didn't catch anything. Second, I had 2 pickerel, and then we drove 30 minutes here to this reservoir, but we found out as we got here that you can't fish here. I mean, this place is huge, and on Fish Brain people catch smallmouth and stuff, and there's signs everywhere that say no fishing, no nothing, but there's paths and stuff like from people who bike, so we're just gonna casually cast and hopefully we can get one fish while we're here, so it's worth it. And there's just says no fishing, you know there's fish. Exactly. When it says no fishing, that means you is the best fishing. That just means someone's trying to hide their spot from everyone else. That's all I'm hearing. In this video, Danforth Fishing, Jason and Adam get arrested, put in cuffs. I have that mini jerkbait from earlier. Yeah, I know. Where are you going? Oh, this looks so good. It's like a rock bottom. The smallmouth must love that. We just both... I didn't hear it, but I guess someone told us that we have to go.
Someone what?
Talking to the camera. Wait, so what did the guy say? We can't fish here? Oh, with what? Yeah, I know. He's looking for us. Should we just run? Oh, he's 100% looking for us. Oh, he's looking for us. Yep. We were here for 5 minutes. Someone called the cops on us.
Yeah. So that's a park ranger. We drove by and we saw. You were in good shape.
What? There's the dude.
Go in the back, just leave.
How's it going?
No, it is. It's a reservoir, guys. You can't fish in there. You know why?
Why?
It's drinking water.
Oh,
Oh, alright.
yeah, we're
Yeah.
looking at a new spot right now. I heard you on the megaphone.
There's,
Hardy's Pond?
there's another one. The big fish. Stock and everything.
Really?
Oh, yeah, alright.
It's like a boat ramp coming down. You can park right there. And the water's like fucking 5 feet from it.
Alright.
Nice.
Yeah, but my boss is around me. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's not.
How did you see? I have a question. How did you see us?
Huh?
How did you see us?
Doing this, everybody knocks up there.
Oh, is that what
really?
it? Yep.
There's no parking pretty much. That's what it is. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Alright, thank
Yeah,
you.
Thank you.
Alright, so we're at the final spot of the day. It's 4 o'clock. We started at 8 o'clock. We've still only caught 2 fish. There's 2 pickerel. And we found this place. We pulled down this private driveway, asked the dude how to get there. We asked to use his property. He said no, but we found this like hiking trail and we're gonna figure it out. There's this abandoned house type deal. And it's like a whole farm, so it's a farm pond that nobody really goes fishing in at all. So we got a bucket of shiners and all our lures from earlier, and we're just trying to catch 1 or 2 more fish. Bobber's already going under, but that was a bad cast, so I don't know. Bro, we're hooked up already. Adam, I'm hooked up. I don't know. Oh, it's big. It's big. What is it? Is that a bass?
Pickerel.
No, it's a big pickerel.
It's a pickerel.
Yo, get that up.
Okay.
Holy crap.
That's a fat pickerel.
That's a fat pickerel. All right, first cast, 30 seconds of being in the new pond. Bro, this thing is fat.